Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock the Maytag dryer and also how you can solve the LOC error. So when you're going to have your own dryer, what you will see is that from the Maytag, you're going to find somewhere like control lock, or you're going to have hold like control for 3 seconds under the button. And what you want to do, if when you're going to turn on, you just want to press and hold it 3 to 5 seconds. Now, that's pretty much it. Also, like when I had also different kind of like products, like end of the cycle, hold for 3 seconds, right? Also, what you can be named like this, where you're gonna have this like a key, again, hold for 3 seconds. So even here, control lock, hold for 3 seconds. So search for that. Like you're gonna have a key, you're gonna have a lock there, you can have even a button, and under that button you're gonna have written the, you know, the how it's called, like the hold for 3 seconds for lock. But that's pretty much it. So what you want to do is just look for, where did I put it here? You want to have a control lock, hold it 3 to 5 seconds, and then it should fix the issue. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope it's going to help you. Have a great day and goodbye.